Welcome to my channel via Travel Vlog. For
Grabe.
today's video is we're going to check on famous Sugarloaf in Halico.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright.
We have
We're
to go
going
for a
to-
drive.
where are we going now?
Alright, and if you are new to my channel, please
Sugarloaf
subscribe
at Halico.
and
Did you
share
know
and
where
comment
the-
if
what's
you
the-
like my video.
the
Thank you.
GPS?
See you. Watch around. Thank you.
It's day off. Tapos na po yung aking paglilinis. So, I got $50. She should give me 60. You know? There we go. Oy, si Manong. That's the guy. Beautiful day today.
Rain comes tomorrow then.
Yeah, on the weekend too. Only last day of sunny day today. So people are going to beach area to relax. Last day of sunny day. I buy fuel the other day. So the car had fuel. Get a fuel. A fuel. Let's go. Let's go for a drive. And then a brunch. Where are we going to have brunch then?
That place is open there at
Halico? Yeah. What's their sailing tank? Pink tank. I think the owner is pink. The lady is pink. The owner is pink because the
pink there because it stands out, don't it?
I know. The color stands out. That's why it's pink. I'm free today. I'm not driving. It's my husband is driving. So I'm not a lady driver today. I'm a lady passenger. Darling, no? I can see. EF locked. Ozu audio. Alright, we are here now at Lonsdale Road. Nice day. 60 kilometers an hour. You okay, darling?
Good.
I might be cold, a bit cold in Halico now. But it's a sun, so it's alright. Yeah, no, it's a sun.
Doing a lot of these new smooth roads, aren't
Yeah, they're doing. Resurfacing because it's lots of movement in this area, no?
they? Yeah.
It's always bouncy. I feel funny that when the I was stopped.
Huh?
I was random pick.
I wouldn't worry about it, darling.
And then it didn't work. And the police said you can go now.
What was wrong with it?
I don't know. Maybe they checked my plate number. Randomly
What,
pick.
didn't you blow enough or something?
No, because I think that machine, you have to, I think, because it said you didn't turn on the GPS, something like that. Maybe, I don't know why they just said that you can go now. He's talking to the other one, and oh, this would be my first time doing this. And the police said it's okay. I was a bit nervous because, you know, I don't like it. When I see police car, that scares me. Glenthorne lookout. So there's a lookout up there, darling.
No, it's Glenthorne Park.
Glenthorne Park. Oh my God. I was a bit nervous. I'm sure the police noticed it, that I was a bit panicky. Nervous. But I didn't have any drugs or alcohol. No, I just went to work. Why you stop me?
Well, that's what it is, random.
Yeah. And then the people really that drink and had drugs, it just went by, you know.
Oh yeah, but they don't know.
Yeah.
They don't know if they're going to be stopped.
That's the first time I saw they do that in Morfitt Road.
Yeah. Well, they didn't give you the drug one.
No, because the blow up doesn't work.
You probably didn't.
Huh?
I don't know whether they have a. Well, they're supposed to. That could be random too. You know, they might only breatho one, and the fifth one they breatho they.
And then drugs.
Druggers as well.
Yeah. This one here, darling, always bounce, you know.
Yeah, because remember that we went and saw that house.
Yeah.
It all cracked.
Yeah. It's not safe. I think not safe for building in this area. It's like you're in the going.
Yeah, it's always been like that.
We're going to. That's very popular, darling. No? Sugarloaf.
I don't know.
It's very popular.
Oh, it's on all the tourist bureau, on all the tourist stuff.
Yeah. Sugarloaf. Yeah, it's that, but because of the what you call it, the formation.
O yan mga higala, on the way na po kami papunta sa Halidco Sugarloaf. Very
What's that
popular
two building
spot
on the top
there sa South Australia, no? Kaning dapita, kani adto dire may dapit ng puyo, pero wa jud ko asahong bana ning dapita mga guys, no? Nabalhit na lang ni sa Sikom Garden karon pa jud ko nakaabot ani. So kudugay ra ko naghinyak nga mga ni ko aning dapita kay ganahan niya kog mga nature. Kana bang nature ba kana mga rock formation mga inana ba? So mao na mga higala, no? Hapit na may padulong sa lugar na yon. So, tuloy-tuloy tayo kasi mag-drive si Mister.
It was too hilly.
A bit far to the shop.
I think we need flat when you get older, darling.
Yeah, I know. You need flat when you get older. That easy to drive the Golf. I saw a big one the other day. Yeah. We used to go that Hungry Jack's Day. Darling, you remember?
It's nice suburb around here.
I like the gardens, the front yard. I like the front yard in Halid Cove. It's a bit, but I didn't see lots of public housing in Halid Cove.
No, there's not.
There's no public housing in Halid Cove, so it's more social area.
It was Halid Coves was sort of developed like Seaford Meadows, you know, like. So this was Seaford Meadows 50 plus years ago.
And I like all the houses. Seems classy. Yeah.
You know, sort of 50 years ago, this was like Seaford Meadows.
So we are now at Lonsdale Road. Lonsdale Road.
There's housing trust houses further down.
Some farther down.
But Christie's Beach and all of that was settled before Halid Cove. This used to be just empty 50 years ago. And all over there when I came here was empty. There was
Yeah.
none of that. So that was all bush over there.
This is our old place before. Next street, no, not this street. Next one.
This was
Oh, that's a new house there.
Annie Ballack told me that they used to come down here. There used to be a beach here. All of this road here,
Yes,
was
the
dirt.
Hapit kami maabot mga guys, no? Mao ni among lugar ang gipuy-an kani adto. Perting duola ra guys among balay dai kay perminti may mga
But it seems
lapitas.
so
Padayon
clean
ta mga
and the
higala, no?
front yard and-
Padayon ta sa pagtanaw
and it
sa atong
seems so,
video. Ayaw
yeah,
kung bago ka
different.
pa diri. Ayaw na diha kalimti ang pag-follow, pag-share,
Yeah, I think
pag-comment, mag-subscribe ka o
Yeah, the
magpa-member
landscape
ka
make
kay
it
kanang akong kita din sa
Make
akong
it
YouTube channel.
have
Daghan
the
kay mga bata
beauty.
na tabangan ako, no?
With the
Dili
curvy.
to brag kung asa ko dapita maabot, no?
beauty.
Ang ako ni siyang gibuhat ba para ba ka nang
We used
hoping
to
ko nga
go.
dunay
This is
kita
our old place,
makakwarta
guys.
ko aning YouTube
Halid
channel
Cove,
or Facebook
South
aduna ako
Australia.
aduna ako Facebook aduna
It's
po ko
only
YouTube
10
channel
minutes,
kay
15 minutes
kini bang
drive from
gusto ka mo
our
tapang
new
siyempre
place.
di man nato pwede na itong kuha pangayuan tong bana
the
o atong
train
itabang so mangita tagpaagi nga makatabang ta sa atong mga kababayan, no, lalo na sa mga nanay sa mao na din akong gibuhat nag vlog ko ba mangandoy ba nangandoy wa may di man na sayo pag mangandoy ta sa atong kinabuhi lisod man ang mangandoy ka nga wa kay gibuhat, diba? So hapit na ko maabot mga higala, no, so padayon kita kay nagyaw-yaw man si Mister, no. All right.
Wow, your friend is from here. Remember? What's his name? The guy with rain? Someone.
Here's on the other side.
Oh. On Marino?
On the other side of the train track.
On the other side of the train.
Near the plane
Yeah.
coming into Adelaide.
I like all the gardens and yeah, so pretty. Halid Cove. Oh, maybe Filipino owned the house in pink. Get a pink roof. Oh, pretty. That's so pretty.
They've really made it nice down here now.
Yeah. But you could not do swimming in it because it's not rocks. But it's pretty here. Pretty. Wow. See, that's...
The sea is more pretty here because you look down, you know.
Yeah. And big house. And they make more parking.
Yeah,
They make more parking here.
popular here.
Yeah.
Go down the bottom and see if we can find a park.
Yeah. There's a sugar loaf there.
Slight construction. Okay.
No, you cannot get in there.
Right.
It's
Must be doing more digging down there.
yeah. Beautiful place.
Okay, mga higala, naabot na jud ta, di ba? Duol ra kay sa amo ako kanang naidagianan diha oh. Lindot kay ilang lugar mga higala no. So mangita mi ka parking ni Mr. no dere. Mo na dinhi duol ra mi anin dapita kay amo balay duol ra kaayo no. Mo nagbaktas na mi sugod pagka nindot na malang sa biyo mga higala no. Mabusog ka ba? Ani ang dapita kung naa kay balay nga duol sa dagat nindot kaayo ang kaso lang dako maintenance. So padayon mi magbaktas oh. Na dihay coffee shop no. O pagkanindot sa view mga higala no mabuang ko ang problema nako kaning magvideo ko nga kana bang hap-hap ta ba labi ng mga sunglasses ka di mo makita pero perti yung nindota sa nature mga higala di na ko magsiyaw-yaw kay dili mo matagbaw kung magsiyaw-yaw kay sabaan man no. So nindot kay ang huni sa dagat ba no paminaw ko din diba? Relaxing kayo mga higala tungod kay na rocks man siya di man siya kini nga area di jud ni siya dinhi kalikuanan so for viewing ra nga area for fishing mga nana no. So padayon kita mga higala no nindot kayo so mo na nagbaktas na migsugod o padulong na mi mga higala 295 million years ago kani siya dinhi doon na siya ice glacier diba? O kung English pa atong English kay balik ko so padayon na to di na ko magyaw-yaw kay magbaktas kay mosaka na mi sa bukid karon makita ninyo ang usa ng Sugarloaf no. Sugarloaf very famous kay siya na nahimo na siya nga gitawag nila Sugarloaf kani adto kay kana bang ice maguning area pero 295 million years ago dugay na kaayo mga higala pero ang geologist ra gid ang maka-answer so kada siya gitawag ripples o agi nagyapon sa ice niya natunaw mo nang naimurag ka ng kuan siya ba no ana guhit-guhit ba no. So padayon to mga higala kay magbaktas na mi pasaka so tanawa jud ninyo video human na jud ninyo guys kay malingaw jud mo nindot kayo ang mugna sa Ginoo no sa kalibutan no si ang geologist ra ang makakuan jud so padayon ta so daghang salamat manginaot ko nga enjoy yung tan-aw ng video nako kay para sad ba mauban mo sa akong suri-suri nga libre diba o 295 million years ago grabe no research ninyo para maka sabaw gid mo nga kuan ba di na nako i-explain kay lisod na mag-explain Bisaya ta so padayon na lang ko sa padayon na mi sa pagbaktas ni Mr. kay sa taon ba ya kinahanglan atong protektahan ang atong darling ba o diba alright so enjoy the video mga higala kay sulit ang inyong pagtanaw ani daghang salamat og i-subscribe share po na diha dugay-dugaya sige na bye bye see you and enjoy the video.
Surprise! If you need help darling I can push you up. Yeah. The one there? The one there?
Where? Not yet.
Not yet. I pull your pants up. Hopefully your knee doesn't. But there's no way. There's no.
We'll get there.
Huh?
Just take it steady.
Yeah. But there's no other way on the other side. Wow, listen to the wave guys. So pretty. Halid Cove. Halid Cove beach really. Yeah. The people are coming. Yeah, I know. Hit you? Huh? You need help? Wow, look at that, oh. Pretty. The landscape is pretty. No? So pretty, Halid Cove. The wave, the birds. And you see the wave there. Houses. Oh, so pretty. That one day, and the sand will wash out. Yeah. Coming. Where are you? Where are you playing? I have not seen. That's the problem. Wow! Look at that, guys. Someone calling me. Wow, look at that, guys. That's the...
But you don't do medications, do you?
No, I just administered, darling.
But yes, you get paid for administering medication?
It's part of the shift. That picks you not in the middle. Pull on that way. Wow. I've been here 10 years, darling. He didn't bring me here. Because they don't have the walking like this before.
Oh, this walking been here for a while.
Wow, oh my God. So what's happened? Why there is like this?
It's an
Old
old glacier.
glacier? What up? Sugarloaf. Oh my God. Isn't that amazing, guys? Look at that. Oh. This one. That shape is very popular. Look at me, darling. You get your picture. I like this one, oh? Why it's like color white. Oh, there's another walking there. Wow.
Way down.
Huh?
Spectacular on the way down.
Spectacular on the way down. Wow. Oh. Hallicove Sugarloaf. Is there a last here? It's in here? We stand here, darling. Wow. Oh my God. Wow, grabe, ang ganda. It's not that far. Why you didn't bring me here? Why you didn't bring me here? It's not that far. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, be careful. At least there is a easy to walk. Oh, it's much better on the other side, darling, no? Wow, grabe. Spectacular. Lots of people come here to see this. Overseas people. You know? Just be careful, my love. Is the cause from erosion, darling?
Yeah.
Ah,
Spectacular, isn't it?
yeah. Oh my God. It's just hard to see the camera because it's sunny. Or you can sit in here too. Wow, grabe. And at least they put the walking in the middle, no?
Spectacular, eh?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. Oh, this is nice here. Oh my God. So, you. I thought it's far.
Huh?
I thought it's too far for you to walk.
No, it's okay.
See, someone stand somewhere, or the drone.
Could be.
Yeah.
Small.
Wow! Look at that, guys. Oh, Sugarloaf. Bye, darling. Wow. I've been here 10 years, but I have not seen this like this. Wow. Thank you, darling, for coming here. It's not too far. And I think this is new, darling, no? This one new. Wow. Wow, like that. My God. Darling. Ah. Huh? Yeah, very good. Wow. Hold it. Yeah, just hold it. Just hold it
The
like
right
that.
way.
It's alright because you can go around it. It's like a volcano, darling. Yeah. Oh my God. So pretty. You don't need to move it, darling, because it will, I can adjust it.
That's 360.
Yeah. Wow, grabe, ang ganda. It's not that far. Why you didn't bring me here? Why you didn't bring me here? It's not that far. Oh, look at that. Oh, we get the careful. At least there is a easy to walk. Oh, it's much better on the other side, darling. No. Wow, grabe, spectacular. Lots of people come here to see this. Overseas people. You know? Be careful, darling. Is the cause from erosion, darling?
Yeah.
Oh,
Spectacular, isn't it?
yeah. Mhm. It's just hard to see the camera because it's sunny. Or you can sit in here too. Wow, grabe. And at least they put the walking in the middle, no?
Spectacular, right? You like it?
Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. Yes. I thought it's far.
Huh?
I thought it's too far for you to walk. See, someone stand somewhere or the drone.
Small iceberg.
Small iceberg. Wow, grabe. Be careful, darling, because you might slippery your. Grabe, ang ganda. think this one is, you have to be careful because it's easy to. But they didn't put some concrete in here or asphalt. See, they're taking picture. Wow. But you can go on the other way too if you want. No. Of course, it's very popular. I googled it. Yeah, look at how good. Just be careful. Don't walk in that one. Careful. Put your shoes is no more spike.
Don't you fall.
Yes, I know. Can we do shortcut? No. Come on. If you want, you can go back there.
Great, isn't it? Very spectacular.
They've been fast with the good stuff. Darling, just let this was me. It's like we have red dirt in my country. Because of erosion, darling. Or strong wind too. That is that. Wow. Progress. I thought it's too far from Calico.
Yeah.
But it's just here facing the.
Not far.
You didn't see it. It's a step down there. There are no other shortcut. But this is much better going down if you go back there, that way there. Oh, careful. Just the ground is not level. Wow, grabe ang ganda. Was that mesmerizing in your eyes? At least you took this one. I like that. Oh? Oh. It's not far from us, but we didn't come. How long you have been here?
25 years plus.
I'm 10 years here. You didn't bring me here. Because of the stone, darling. No, you heard the sound. Look at that. Oh, even from here. Sandy Creek. No. You go first, guys. Let's go. Take a deep breath, darling. It's not hard now. You don't want me to come here alone. It's not far. You didn't tell me, just park in the boat shed. What you call that? Down. You have to look down.
Down is part of it.
Yeah, no. It's not deep. But it's not deep. Down. That's why you don't want to come here. Why? I just ask me, darling. You just go.
I'm going away.
Yeah, I know. You can go first.
Oh, thank you.
It's like a wedding now. Shortcut. Just hold on, darling. Be careful.
Nice.
What's
See,
the
there's another
bird?
view that way.
Oh,
Let's look up a bit.
yeah. But that one, the white bit, you know, there's like a so pretty. So 295 years ago, the water came here. Million. Yeah, 295 million years ago. So the
This was
water.
a glacier. It was all ice here. Ice, isn't it?
How come there is ice in here?
Because it was the Ice Age.
Ah, during the ice age.
And all of these ravines in Hallett Cove,
Yeah.
these are where the glacier pushed down to the sea. You know how you
Like the one in the when we went to New Zealand.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
But because the weather changed,
Yeah. And the sea retreated.
retreated, and the ice melted,
Okay.
and it shows that. Careful. Down. There you go. We're here. 1, 3, 2. How feeling? No. This also this one can go to straight to Marine World. You can have it. Sit down. Stretch your legs.
What do you think?
Spectacular. That's really good.
It's nice to get out in the sunshine.
It's easy walking because there's a proper walking trail. You're not letting in my country, you make your own trail. Ready for breakfast?
Breakfast? I don't know if they have breakfast here.